Nana JNANA. Sabra me no kase. Or maintain wa ha. Ye bon komo. Yeah, for the first caller. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Me ba cho dini baby akasa free.
Hello.
Me ba cho dini baby akasa free. Ejanimo of Anko Barrier, but yenti why? Acho ejanimo kasa yeti why?
Yeah, me check ya wona remove baduma papa for ya mjiramu. Me papa yo wona me check ya general secretary. Na me agia Sabia Mohammed ana Covid cancer. Ya me kan ya
SOMPA FM.
Ya ni dia ko MP, minister, president. What would be a leader? Oh, what would be a leader? Assembly woman, a leader, assembly man, leader, executive, what would be a leader? I am a from my organization. Yeah, proper, and I you got a mother. I became the MP no one, MP no one, now, Mumaka to Abama time, assembly man, what do you want to say? Oh, what will you a leader as well? Now, and you might be a MP on my way, Mono. Yeah, 2 years. What you have because what you have to say, who may leader, who will be a baby, and so we have me a Mutampa, your leadership. And you know, you have found what any Papa and you don't mind idea.
Yeah. Bye bye. Me that say pass by ready to say anymore. Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Richard anymore too.
Richard Enim Otum, but what are my hina kasa
money doctor.
Money doctor, me pacho kasa for him.
Yes, sir. Pacho me kasa free
Adenta, me pacho iti why.
Pacho na nani nyamisha na pa.
Amen.
Code krono soda. Nambum, but who know Facebook? Yemi, just say yemi one to the say, hey, you won't pay for my new one come with my boy, but you don't know to quite na the other. Someone can yashi. Ya kwa uko kumasia accident be basis na say the okano come we na double road there's no way accident be basis sa entino president mama tia ontimi mboa papa na ko ontimi mda na mambo nu say on fana as minister na those things kra ontimi man ideas so that you betimi dia ayo money ye so that be accident do na betimi den na say ma wo so mo ye akra to course ai and so mo tre kwan amutimi ye all the majors that link roads like a saxo road that wapa nana nyamisha
yo nana so ba jubedi no so hello good evening.
Good evening.
Me ba talk one amene kasa yi
But original poem doing ya me kasa free techiman
o kasa free techiman ye tie
what penny ya nana ya na de chinko mo me be shira me pa o
Nana JNANA
what are no e de chinko mo de da be magana mpanyimfo no.
Oh, I said, okay. Yeah, but Ghana and paying for the assassin.
Let's have I share one on our farmer or Yama, would be on your Tobiama no. Or minor Edapa Debian, why I would cabin, and let's one on why Grandpa de Bois, Nukua, Nasa Vigana, or May Japa dear, one of us all shed them for you 4 years, dear. Maybe I remember to, I remember one of our riding Kunkum woman. Me
hello, good evening.
Hello.
Me pacho wana mene kase.
Wone imano simpo ne kase.
Me pacho wadaro ma okase free him.
You kase free kwabenya.
Kwabenya wadaro ma pacho eti why.
Hey, if you was such person or omeyimu. Papa Edwin this what the na ate Eddie in the crew ye. I didn't know when you're not president in the Papa one. I'm quite a man to become manager. The child said, me, in your dream, be said, Sammy Wabness and be there subject my important crew ma. Chrome war, I dying in our left and right, maybe a pin tuning in a Serbia couldn't pay a fair. So this was her idea. Yamisha no pa, Oman Hobby. The sector, when you're presidency, ever 12 hours,
You. Nana Jana, I say. People 0260 196065 0260 196064. Hello, good evening. Okay, I'm so into engine. I'm call away. Hello, good evening. People didn't baby akasa free.
I want to say any kind.
Yo, mbacho me hoye pa.
Yeah, there's a free on your party.
Me bacho kasa free.
Mbacho kasa free.
Cantamanto, bacho yeti why?
You, opening or Jordan, no, I have papa. And I'm not cutting and yet. You're telling for the what is it? What?
SOMPA FM.
You can hear that. And then you will obey man can go deal on the mono. And no problem, no. Ghana for your dream for me, obey the probable my way, so about the baby. You obey any mono, who know what can't be Ghana so. Let for instance, Ghana had my name baby because you're 24 to a month for my soul, and yet you who near my apostle papa, and my penny for walk up of Kina, a year, but what get it? What this one and they are going to bang, can all you yeah, my penny, my baby. So, what was that friend? What was that friend or by who as well, and then you're 24 killing or mine who can take it. What can I get by name, but when you why get the papa and only ask them. It's a good panel and the one person more who they will. Eh, be a not or serving near Japan, baby. No, what fun I didn't know. Only I'm near you.
But that's a pass by radio. So, hello, good evening.
Hello, fine.
A higher SOMPA 106.5 FM. I won't crime, but within the center, here casa free.
Yeah, free. Your family, Obed. You got free.
Abokobi Obed.
Yeah.
Abokobi. Okay.
Now, the audience is very good. Come on, my Ghana. Now, the dream said, the person and the 49 years of my woman, my waiting form. Because the audience put the people share of Facebook. I think the audience point stand with the quality. While you do come on, man, I'm missing you, and need more power, man. Hello. Good evening. If I show me the quick dose, I'm a pretty la pass. If I show what was some Nanakano, and then I had 100%. If I show my chemist, my junior and non charging. Nanam Patrol, you to my way. And Andra, a bad 3 days. The whole minority leader, it's reaction, sir. Abu police ni, I'm on an Ghana, or yes, you had done it, them and done it. The abo has no cotocobo, ubiti the park, so you did 3 days. Other man is saying 100 days. But you with you,
Meet you, pa.
You did 3 days, you them and 100 days. The whole suffer also happened to go suffer no other heaven, quantity papa. It made this come to Danny, them a part of Mr. Uriah, Menamha. Make me as a police in your side, you can get. Ah,
not me, I told suffer Ben with the air mine is scared, that's what done them. What's a Pentecost suffer behind them?
Pentecost suffer, Apostle, National Cathedral.
Oh, that's no dear. It has not been it has not been established with this unless proven by a competent court of jurisdiction. And no name it.
Medasi, we are sorry.
Okay.
The whole minority leader to me of police means it's not done it demo my reaction. Now me to do make me as police need check a Canada mine. Omo ya manipe na mbesa na neti asem we mama. Na omo ya ma yeni pe o wa mani me say ya me buy inside the yenye police say ya moa. Baba politician dia oyenipa. It is the war dia ne kono. Then agimpa na mo dey say ye youth ni. Who dey that answer ma o kai mu obi. It is that agimpa na mo dey say ye youth ni.
All right, but I mean that's it. Now, my friend ni for Akwaba. Hello, good evening.
Yes, fresh new evening.
Me pato, why na me na kasa yi?
In fact, I am from me for you. Obetia family in the Dubai, make a free. I shall my the guy inside Addis Ababa, New Flower Haircuts and Collections.
Good. So thank you so much for having you. Mepacho, what's something saying?
Oh, me per se, Nana, the government should take Nana as a special consultant. Nana should be given opportunity, not even, it should be mandatory, Nana should be part of the Council of State.
Sure.
Because, in fact, somebody doing all these things right from one new way, your friend said.
The resources.
New resources. In fact, way is about doomsday, okay?
Yes.
What Nana is doing in the life of individuals.
SOMPA FM.
If he is to tell you, I'm telling you, say, you will marvel. Nana, the followers of Nana, even me in our transformation in 67.
Oh, okay.
And the number of people in that group are Nana personally on my focus. But so, Prof, I can't talk much.
Wow.
But Nyamina Obesana Namaye. But Nyamike, the Aban should listen, and Nana should be part of the Council of State. Nana Otiwe on you Biasika. Say the opportunity comes not because he needs anybody's money. Because if he can do all these things on Unkwani Kumu, what does he need a bicycle for what? But he should be given the opportunity. It should be mandatory. Send a bear on only put one in the Nyansa one is Timo, Hanya Media Duno, a bit Nabua Ama or Minor Akosu. Na Senya Yaman on Nana, if Nana is given the chance, one on the president, but he should be part of the governing board.
Sure.
Now, you're the 19th every Juma. I tell you, sir, a time will come. Nobody will have the appetite to travel out of the country. Who call for your day? Because everything I can want them it is here. So what are you going there to do? So that is Kakra Missum Canon.
Yeah, that's it. And the Biana Danafa was affiliated to SOMPA 106.5 FM because Yabema Aketua Aya Papa. Let's see if we can welcome just two more calls and then we'll go to the messages on the Facebook pages and then read those messages to the admiration of all viewers and listeners of SOMPA 106.5 FM. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Maybe didn't baby Akasa free.
My first school junction, Butchie side.
Butchie School Junction. Okay. Obed, but what you why?
Yeah, me pacho. Nana no Bayaka a bank on one of post be. Na answer Bokna Fatuma Penino. Ni Susun be na one ni we be what the Munti HSA a competition for president in Papaman.
Yo, Mirase, sell by Juvedia so. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Pepacho, one I'm in a casse.
Iman was not sample be uno.
Oh, Ima, waba, maybe. Okay, Ima mind you.
My brepa, the cherry say. My cat said me was say. Say, be a medipenny with Mukum. The say internet ne said you will come. And it's another way, my adopted. No, it's also so young for a moment to me. Yamin and Napa, non to link one them.
Right. Let's see if we can take about a call, one caller, because I who say will be free. I'm say he's gotten a challenge. 0260-196064. 0260-196061. I'll be going to read the messages on Facebook right about now. So, best say, mobile share na my banner, my barrack and kind.